Hi and welcome sa panibagong video tutorial mga ka-Clover. Sa video na inyong mapapanood ay ipapakita ko paano ma-unblock o ma-unblurred ang mga documents o files sa course Hero ng libre. So without further ado, let us start this video. Before this tutorial will start, I just want you to have the two applications, Chrome and Office. Now, we will proceed the first step. Open your Chrome or browser o kahit anong browser na mayroon kayo. Afterwards, search Course Hero and click the first site called Course Hero. Since we are use Android phone, we must change Android site into desktop site. Paano ba mag-change into desktop site? Just click 3 dot na nasa gilid sa itaas, then check desktop site. Now we have desktop site display. All you can do ay mag-login or mag-sign up. Kung may sarili na kayong account ay huwag na kayong mag-sign up. Just wait my next step. Sa mga walang account, just follow my step. Sa bahaging ito, pipili ka student o educator. Afterwards, sa ibaba saan ka nag-aaral. Pwede namang mag-sign up gamit ang Facebook at Google. Sign up with email, ilagay nyo lang ang email na gusto nyo at password and retype nyo ulit ang inyong password. Then, check I'm not a robot. Check nyo lang ang hinihingi for verification. Pagkatapos, create my free account. Nakagawa na tayo ng free Course Hero account. Second step, click the upload now. Makikita mo sa gilid, makaka-unlock ka ng 5 files sa bawat 10 files na iyong i-upload. Follow nyo lang yung step ko, go to your office application, gumawa kayo ng files and save.
I like you but it's not okay, yeah. Whatever, can I walk away, oh yeah. Can still see your face, so tell me what to do, cause I can't find a way. Baby, please just tell me if I'm, tell me if I'm, tell me if I'm fine. Tell me if I'm, tell me if I'm, tell me if I'm, baby, please just tell me if I'm fine. Just tell me if I'm fine. But it's not okay, yeah. Whatever, can I walk away, oh yeah. I love you too, don't love me back, back. I can't stand this feeling inside my mind, mind. Baby, please just tell me if I'm fine. Please just tell me if I'm fine, cause I don't know why it's stuck in my heart, baby. Please just tell me if I'm fine. Just tell me if I'm fine.
Pagkatapos mong na-upload ang iyong 10 file ay makakakuha ka ng 5 file unlock sa bawat 10 files na na-upload. And now you can freely download your desired documents. So yun lang muna sa ngayon. If nagustuhan mo ang video ito ay please hit like, share, and subscribe for more videos.